Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create and schedule a new task in your calendar in your Thunderbird email account. So let us guide you through this. Launch the Thunderbird application on your desktop computer or laptop. And here guys, once you're logged in with the associated and linked email address, you will see these customization or creation tools to the left, like sending emails and messages, for example, your contact list and so on and so forth. And here you will see also tasks. So click into it or use the shortcut Alt+4. And here in your tasks view, guys, you will see that calendar view. You may navigate through it and select the day you would like to add a new task, or simply click into this button here, new task, and create it. Like for example, you may give it a title, a location, set a category, like for instance, I don't know, holiday or status, travel. And here guys, select the start date. From that drop-down menu, click into that calendar, navigate through these months, days and weeks. You may even set the time of the day. And that's basically it. You may describe your task below, set a reminder, set the task on repeat on a daily, weekly or monthly basis, attach files like instructions, or simply delete the given task if you don't want to keep it in your calendar view. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.